Good morning, students. I think all are fine at home. Uh, I think in Bihar, little bit uh, raining also there, so the climate will be cool. I am talking from Kerala. Now we are having a lot of raining here. The weather is very cool here. I am busy in preparing your lessons and exercises, and after studying today's lesson, that means chapter 4, we will start revision. And before entering the revision, I will check all the books and copies whether it is completed or not. I will make a call at any time, a video call, and I will ask you to show your book and copy randomly. So anyone can expect a call at any time for checking your copy and book. Okay. So today's lesson is chapter 4. The chapter's name is Can Mice Eat Iron? We know that we can find many mice in our home, in our houses, but we have never seen a mouse has eaten an iron. Okay, so it is very wonderful story. It is a story taken from Panchatantra's tales. We have studied about Panchatantra, no? So it is a part of story taken from the Panchatantra tales. Okay, and in a village there was a merchant. His name was Maniram. He got a great loss in business. Okay, he was doing. We know that in business, profit and loss are common. There may be profit or loss. For this merchant, what happened? He lost everything he faced a great loss in his business. So he started selling everything. Okay, we know that when we got loss in business, we have to sell and we have to pay the money. We may have loan and all, so we have to sell all our things to repay that amount. So here he has sold everything, but he has not sold only one weighing scales. That means weighing scales means the instrument that we are using in shops for measuring things. Like in a grocery shop, we can see we are keeping scales for measuring grains, wheat, flour, like that. All no. So like that, he had also a weighing scale. It was an iron made. It was made of iron. Okay, he got this from his ancestors, his great great grandfather. Okay, so he has not sold that one. He kept this very safely. One day he had to go in the neighboring town for some purpose. So he thought that he has to keep this scale very safe, otherwise it will be misplaced means it will be kept somewhere either here and there. Okay, so he asked his friend Lakshman to keep it very safely. He and Lakshman agreed to keep it very safely. Then when he returned, what happened? Lakshman is telling that his scales were eaten by, or mice have eaten his scale. So Maniram felt it very wonderful, very he could not believe how can a mouse eat an iron thing. Iron, that means metal things are not eaten by mice, no. So he thought in his mind it is something very he is lying. Who is Lakshman is lying. Lakshman is trying to hide something. Okay, so Maniram did not tell anything, and he told that it is his bad luck to lose this scale. So Maniram decided to play another idea on Lakshman for getting his scale back. Okay, so he did not quarrel with him, or he did not become angry. Nothing he has made. Okay, and the next day, what happened? Maniram asked Lakshman to send his son with him for uh, uh, cleaning his or for taking a bath in the river. Okay, that means the merchant told that, or the Maniram told that he is going to the river, and he want to take his son, who's Lakshman's son, with him. Okay, so Lakshman happily agreed with him. He agreed to send his son with Maniram. Okay, then after coming back from the river, Maniram kept his boy in his house, locked, and said to Lakshman that a hawk swooped down. Hawk means an eagle-like bird came and kidnapped or carried his son away. So Lakshman could not believe this story, and he became very angry. He told that he would approach, he will go to Sarpanch. We know that in villages Sarpanch and Panchayat are there. And he went to the Sarpanch, and the Sarpanch called on Panchayat. Panchayat, we know that it is a court for taking decision in such cases, argument cases. No, so he called a Panchayat, and in the Panchayat, Sarpanch asked the things, what happened when he went for taking bath. Maniram repeated the same thing. He said that when he was taking bath, what happened? A hawk or an eagle came and carried Lakshman's boy away. So Sarpanch could not believe it. He thought something. It is not a simple story. It is something is very serious behind this. Okay, so he asked, and the Sarpanch was very wise man. So he asked Maniram what happened in detail. Then and the all villagers were also waiting for his reply, and the merchant finally, the Manira finally explained what happened when he went to the neighboring town, and he kept the weighing scales with Lakshman, and Lakshman is saying that his scales were eaten by mice. So the villagers and the Sarpanch got the idea. The Lakshman was lying. So then Maniram told that if a mice could eat his iron scale, an eagle also can carry a boy. Okay, we know that normally an eagle cannot carry